Good morning guys, so it is 7:30 in the morning and I am at Jal Mahal Palace. I have come for a morning walk. So it is around 7:30 and the sun is like pretty much up. Usually in Mumbai you cannot see sun at this time, it is all foggy there. But here the sky is clear and everything is fine and you can see the view of Jal Mahal Palace from here. And there are a lot of people who have come here for a morning walk, especially to feed fishes. I have seen a lot of people feeding fishes here. So guys, it is 8 AM right now and I have finished my morning walk. Now I am going back to my hotel and I will have my breakfast. After that I have to check out and I have to go to another hotel. I mean, it's a Haveli and it's a traditional Haveli and they have converted it to a hotel. So let's see how that place will be, and I will now explore the Jaipur city. Right now I was in the outer of the Jaipur city and I have covered like the outer forts. So now we are going inside the Jaipur and we will cover the forts that are inside Jaipur. So guys, this is my breakfast: baked beans, potatoes, some watermelons and sprouts and juice. So guys, I have completed my packing and now I am heading to another hotel and I should reach it there by 12. Then after that I will start exploring the Jaipur city, that is the forts inside the city. So let's begin the journey. So guys, I have arrived at this Haveli turned hotel and the interiors are really looking good. It is all like full of paintings of Maharajas and all their ancestral paintings are there and photographs are there. And I will be covering this Haveli in the morning because today I am planning to explore all the palaces of Jaipur, inside Jaipur. So I am very excited. It's like I am feeling like home at this Haveli. So let's explore Jaipur. So guys, I have arrived at this hotel or Haveli and the feeling is completely different from yesterday. Yesterday it was like I was staying in a simple hotel, but today the feeling is completely different. This is the room, you can see it's like the actual Haveli and it was like converted into a hotel recently. And you can see the walls, I mean look at the architecture, it's all wooden work and especially the roof. Oh my god, the roof is awesome. So guys, let me check the balcony of this place. Oh wow, it is really looking lovely. Oh my god, awesome. It is a bit sunny but otherwise the climate is really good. In the evenings I can sit here and have a tea and wow, that small water fountain and the colors are really looking good, especially the dark color. I just want to sit here for a while and see this view. Super. This was I wanted at this place and really I'm getting the thing that I wanted. I mean the actual feeling to stay in a Haveli and feel like how this could be when we like Maharajas and all were living in this Haveli. So loving the feeling. So we have one more day to I will stay here and I will explore. So let's start. So guys, right now I am at City Palace of Jaipur and they have converted this palace into a museum. So let's check it out. So guys, right now I am sitting at the city palace, at the center of the city palace, and I mean this is the main town hall of this palace. And if you see, the every stone, maximum used stone at this palace is only pink, and I believe that's why Jaipur is called as the pink city, because the most used stone is in pink color, and the most available stone is in pink color in Jaipur. So most of the forts are constructed using this pink stone only, so that's why you can see only most of the stones are pink. And to make it more like pinky they have painted every home in pink color. I mean that like I love about this city, because in India, in most of the cities, you will not see a synchronicity in the colors. Everyone has their own colors. So, but in this city, you can see and you can feel some kind of, some kind of pattern. Like every building is pink. So, I love this. So guys, it is 4 PM in the afternoon, and I have come to astronomical garden, or we can also call it as a science garden. And here you can find lot of instruments that were used during the time of Maharajas and kings to identify like different signs and mathematical calculations and all these things, because during that time there were no internet. So guys, behind me you can see the sundial. We have seen already the smaller version of sundial, and this is the biggest version. So this sundial is divided into two parts. So the middle part, that's the middle wall, will decide it will make the shadow, and based on the shadow you can calculate the time. So guys, finally I am at Hawa Mahal, the biggest tourist attraction of Jaipur. So guys, finally I am inside Hawa Mahal. So guys, finally I am at the top of the Hawa Mahal, and from here I can get the whole view of the city. And as the name says, this is like full of wind from everywhere. I can feel the wind coming from every direction. So this is the beauty of this place. and that's Jantar Mantar, and on the right side of Jantar Mantar, that is the central palace. And you can see every building is like mostly approximately pink in color. So this is the speciality of this place. That's why it is called as Pink City. So guys, from this point you can see the complete Hawa Mahal. So right, earlier we were at the top of the Mahal, and now we have come to this point to see the full view. So guys, this is the Hawa Mahal, and I hope you like this place, and I think everyone should come here and see the brilliant, beautiful history of India. So let's go outside. So guys, I am back from the Hawa Mahal, and I just wanted a quick shower, really quick shower, because it was so hot in the Jaipur today, and I was feeling so dirty. So I just came back to the hotel and I had a quick shower, and I am now going to the rooftop restaurant of this palace to grab some bites. Then I will go into the city again to explore the local cuisine of this city.